of their head is correct for your posture. You don't want to be straining your back and your neck because you'll be very sore at the end of the appointment. Now we're going to get into placement of the Eyepads in depth in our next tutorial video. We're just going to place these gel Eyepads down gently, making sure we don't completely cover those bottom eyelashes and keeping them away from the eyeball because you will give them irritation to their eyeballs if they do touch. Keep them nice and flat, making sure the skinny side's towards the bridge of the nose and pulling those outer corners down so that your lashes pop out. Now I like sensitive tape. This is a 3M blue sensitive tape, and I basically chop off 1 inch and then I chop off that in half and then those strips in half again. You de-tack them on the back of your hand so that you're not pulling at the client's skin too much, especially if they're older. Their skin's more delicate, so you do have to be careful with tape. I'm gently using my fingertip to pull up the eyelid, putting the straight edge towards the eye and covering up any of those baby lashes that were needing to be taped away. Great, so we'll get into that in more depth in the next tutorial, but that's your basic lash bath.